How to download Snapchat on laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can download Snapchat app on laptop, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to download Snapchat application on your laptop, all you have to do is you can use the web version of Snapchat, which is web.snapchat.com, or you can directly open up your Microsoft Store here, and then in the search bar just go ahead and type in Snapchat. As you do that, you should be able to find the official Snapchat application, where all you have to do is just hit the get or the install button. Now because in my case I have already installed it, you don't need to see the install button, but if you haven't, you'll find the get option, which you can use to download the Snapchat application. This way you'll be able to download Snapchat on laptop. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.